Hey friends, I'm so excited that you're going to be able to join me for a reading group, even if it's on the computer this week. First, we're going to start with reviewing some sight words, and I'm going to have us do this PowerPoint together, okay? And the way that this is going to work is when I start the PowerPoint, it's going to give you a little bit of time, and then it's going to flash a word really fast on you. And then you try to say it faster than or just as fast as when the word comes on. Okay, so you try to say it as quickly as you can. After a couple seconds, it's going to go away, so you have to do it super fast. Okay, and we're going to do a couple of different groups of words, and I'm not going to say anything the first time. I'm going to let you do it, and then I'll rewind it back to the beginning, and we'll do it together so you can check to make sure you said the words correctly. Okay, so you're ready? Sample. Okay, another list coming. Okay, we're going to stop right there, and then we're going to go back to the beginning. Okay, by the way, that first word that you saw, that was this one, is sample. That just means practice. Okay, so if you were wondering why is that there, that's why. Okay, so hopefully you tried to get as many of those words as you could, as fast as you could. The idea is when we see sight words, we don't take time to sound them out. We say them that fast, so that way we know them right away when we read them. Okay, I'm going to do the PowerPoint again. This time I'm going to say the words too, and you can check and make sure that you got the same word that I said. Okay, you ready? Sample. Can. I. Of. Me. The. In. At. With. A. He. Go. To. See. Do. On. Was. She. Make. Same. Like. Doing. Were. My. Work. Write. Play. Just. Some. They. People. Look. To. Other. Place. Where. Under. Help. Okay, how'd you do? Hopefully you got at least half of them or more than half. We'll keep working on those, and then we'll move on with our book.